Hi, my name is Laikul, your live stream buddy. For you who have a Yolobox Extreme, it's extremely difficult to mount this thing into a rig because it only have a 1/4 inch mount. The in-stream is, I believe, has 2 threads on the either side, but this one only comes with 1/4 inch. So, Yolobox has a solution. It's called the Yolobox Extreme cage. It's the official cage from Yolobox, so it must be extremely fit. And then, yeah, let's just try this. The material feels premium. We got a screw. I believe this is a sunshade. Yep, this is a sunshade to do this. Basically, to do this. And then the pepper. Only include one. Nice. Save the environment. It's a very good build quality actually. This must be for locking the HDMI. I don't know if it's necessary. I see. I know. Maybe it's not preventing the HDMI to be unplugged, but to prevent the HDMI to be, tangled. Not tangled. I don't know the word. To be like that. I don't know the word. This has a stand, kickstand. Nice. Let's get this away. So how do we put this? And as you can see, we got a lot of holes and threads, so we can mount an accessory to this cage. We got a hex screw here, a multifunction. Very good. The installation is not very hard actually, and they already gave us the tools. I think I should remove the, I don't know how to remove the antenna. Yeah, we just pull that. That's it. I didn't see the screw on the bottom, bro. I didn't see the screw on the bottom. Careful with the screen, bro. I think it's better to cover the screen with some protection while we set this thing, just in case, bro. Nice. And then we slide from the bottom to the top like that. Yep, that's it. Just slide right in. It does not need any screw, bro. It just precision all over the corner. It feels firm enough. I don't think it will fall apart as long as we tighten all the screw. Let's see how it stands. Bam! That's very cool, bro. I think it's not a line. No, it's a line good enough. So far, I'm satisfied with the cage. What do you think, guys? I don't know the price when I unbox it. For this price, do you think it's worth? I think it's worth it. Maybe in the next video I will put an accessory and make this setup even more portable. I think that's it for today's video, and see you guys on the next one. Cheers!